From gangs to gods, unveiling the omnipresent signs and symbols of Chicago's major Black Street organizations. The degree of Solomon's Temple. Since the inception of the Gangster Disciple Nation, in the mid-1960s, their devout members have safeguarded the definitions of the omnipresent signs and symbols contained within the depths of their literature, with a high degree of silence and secrecy. This has undoubtedly preserved the magnificent powers attributed to them, which has made it virtually impossible for any outsiders to effectively decipher them without running into circular theories. And these symbols are the heart with or without wings, the crown positioned on top of the heart, the devil's horns, the tail with a pointed tip, which extends from the heart, the six-point star, with the letter G occasionally in its center, and last but not least, the pitchforks. Now, as we begin to unlock the esoteric meanings of this said organization's sacred symbols, what we find are undeniable metaphysical links between them and the powerful sciences of the Hebrew Kabbalah, as well as ancient Masonry, esoteric Judaism, Hinduism, geometry, physics, human physiology, and that which is classified as high magic. Once we explore these above-mentioned schools of thought and then run them parallel with the omnipresent signs and symbols of the 7414, we will reveal to the world how that which the Gangster Disciple Nation has brought forth on a street level has always contained the higher sciences of the original organic goddesses and gods without the slightest flaw whatsoever.